Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Chrysler 300 after an oil change. First, get into your vehicle and make sure it's in park. If you have a traditional key, turn it to the run position without starting the engine. For push-button start models, press the start button twice without pressing the brake pedal. This prepares your car for the reset procedure. Now, with the ignition in the run position and the engine off, slowly and fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times. Make sure to do this within a 10-second window. Each press should go all the way to the floor. This specific sequence tells your Chrysler 300 computer that the oil service has been completed. After depressing the pedal 3 times, turn your ignition back to the off position. If you have a push-button start, press the button once. Now, go ahead and start your engine. The oil change required message should no longer appear. If it does, simply repeat the entire process from the beginning to ensure a successful reset. For some Chrysler 300 models, especially newer ones, you might also reset the light through the instrument cluster. With the ignition in run, use your steering wheel controls to navigate to the vehicle info menu, then find Oil Life. Press and hold the OK button until the display shows 100%. And speaking of keeping things running smoothly, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.